Everything begins with a great idea.
The Philippines is now in the radar screen of investors all over the world because we are among the so-called emerging markets that will dominate the world economy.
The key now in the world is you've got to specialize. You've got to focus on your core.
Our world today is looking for a new business model.
Abrea Consulting Group helps you transform your ideas into real business solutions.
In the modern world, however, that is never enough. It is always necessary that you have to get a different perspective, a different type of expertise in order for you to be able to carry out your job properly.
Working with you as partners from inception to operation, Abrea Consulting Group offers the expertise, experience, and professional know-how to equip you with anything and everything your business needs.
And I think here, this is where advice is important, and you can get advice from different fields.
We offer strategic insights and cost-effective solutions in the areas of strategic planning, finance, business organization, IT systems, logistics, PR, and legal and regulatory compliance.
Now is really the best time for Filipino entrepreneurs to get into consulting.
Our experts go with you in every step of the way in giving shape to your ideas and making your business work for you. We guarantee sustainable and measurable results through synergy and collaboration with your organization.
Doing good and doing well presents some challenges.
It is important to get the right consultant, to get the expert advice.
We believe that your ideas should take shape at the speed of information. We help create the environment for entrepreneurs and decision makers that allow ideas to lead the organization to where it needs to be.
Well, the beauty of the group is that you're young.
Who knows, in the year 2050, and I'm sure this Abrea company will be like a McKinsey of Asia.
Bring your business to the next level.
When you run a business or you run a cause or you run a campaign, you want to ask yourself, have I made a difference?
Abrea Consulting Group will make sure you get there. We make your ideas real.